Winter is my favorite season. While each season holds its magic and its beauty, winter has always stuck with me as something that brings me inspiration and teaches me the beauty of slowing down and going at my own pace, just as a snowflake does. But among its physical beauty, snow actually holds a lot of spiritual properties and healing as well. Today I'm going to share with you in an adventure as I teach you about snow water, how you can make it, and its many incredible magical uses. Our adventure starts as a hike in the woods. Of course, there's snow all around me, and you don't have to do this. I just have a special place in my heart for untouched snow and the stillness of the forest when it snows. All you'll need to make snow water is a jar or a bowl or something that you can hold the snow in, and you just want to find that special spot and gather it where it feels right. And after you gather the snow, you just want to hold it for a second in both hands and set an intention with it. Just like with moon water, just like with charging a crystal, you just want to put your intention into it, even if that intention is to awaken the magic of its original properties. And once you've collected it, just leave it someplace to melt naturally. And while it's melting, here are a few magical properties of snow and what it's traditionally used for. And as you can see, snow water is very multi-use, so just as with anything magical, it's always about your intentions. However, one of my personal favorite ways to use snow water is for cleansing and banishment rituals. Because snow water relates to purification and new beginnings and letting things go, it's really good for letting go of negative energy in your life. This can be seen through its melting properties, as this could symbolize something negative melting from your life, as well as simple as making a snowball and tossing it away to signify throwing something away from your life. Snow water is also really good at cleansing your altar tools and your crystals, as it has very strong purification properties, so you can just put some water in a bowl and then start cleansing your tools or your crystals or anything like that. And of course, send your intention into the bowl and make sure you research the crystals you're putting in there to be sure that they are water safe. Now, my absolute favorite way to use snow water is in tea. There's nothing quite as magical as snow water tea. It's very purifying and healing. And so you just heat it up in a pot or your kettle and then let the magic take it from there. Next, select your favorite winter tea. For me, I have to go with jasmine green. It's always got my back. It's one of my favorite teas to drink every single day. And it's just one of those teas that really warm you up on the inside and also help you to relax. And then find your special place by a window and just feel and admire all the magical properties of the snow. And then my last favorite way to use snow water is in a snow-themed bath to honor the winter. And to me, this looks like collecting a lot of crystals that look like the snow and remind me of the snow, so like selenite and quartz. and geodes like this, just beautiful representations of snow and snowflakes to me. I'm also really drawn to eucalyptus in the winter, so I did put some of that up here as well. And of course, white candles with a warm glow always speak winter. I also selected a few of my favorite lotions and sprays that connect to the snow, such as this amazing organic lotion with rosemary and lavender. And these are herbs that can connect you to the winter time, as well as these sprays that incorporate quartz. And of course, don't forget to set an intention with your snow water and then go ahead and add it to the bath. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this helps you to find the magic of snow water for your own personal uses.